So yeah guys, my name is Taurus FX from TOXICTRADERS. So today I'm gonna be analyzing volatility 75 for you guys. So yeah, first things first, we start on the daily time frame. That's where I like to start my analysis most of the time. So we zoom out completely to look for the overall direction of the market. That's the first thing that we should look at. As you can see, at first the market was creating high highs, lower low, higher lows, high highs, higher lows, and so forth. So we broke the previous higher low, which is here, and then we started forming a lower low, a lower high, and then we are at a lower low, and then another lower high over here. So and then we can see that okay, we are on a downwards trend. And then we switch to our line charts to identify our support and resistance zones. As you can see here, the market supported here, and then we broke above and went up, and then we supported here, and then we broke below, turning it into a resistance, and then turning it into a resistance over here. And then mainly I like to focus on the current market price. As you can see over here, support, and then we sort of broke below, and then it became a resistance, and then we broke above again, support, and then support. So we are below this level currently. So what I will be looking at is for the market to push up and then turn it to a resistance, and then to further go downwards. And then as I can see another level over here, right? The market resistance, support. So we're still below it, but I believe, or I will expect the market to break above it. So this is another point of interest. As you can see, the market reacted here, support, resistance. So yeah, so I'm picking our last one for now. So since we are on an overall downtrend, bearish trend, we're looking for selling opportunities. Let me just do this. Okay, two, and then gold. Since we are at an overall downtrend, we're looking for resistance. Yeah, first touch, second touch, third touch. So yeah, I think my trend line, it makes a whole lot of sense. Okay, I believe it doesn't fit there. So there's 4 touches to the trend line. Let me connect these ones from here. Connect that point. You know, these are very strong trends because the market respects them. It really respects them. As you can see, the market always it reverses. So if the market pushes up, right? Where was this one? Oh, right here. So if the market breaks above this trend line, then I will be looking for it to pull back, and then further look for buying opportunity. So let's dive a little deeper. Let's zoom in. As I zoom in, I can see that okay, we were inside a small bullish channel over here. Let me just connect it from there, and then connect, yeah, more touches. Yeah, we got a touch here, we got a touch here, a touch here, and then let me cater for this one over here too. So we broke out of our self-rising wedge, right? So we broke out of that. So what I like to do before I dive into lower time frames, I like to turn my horizontal lines into zones. So let's remove that one. Now we make it a A zone works better for me compared to a simple you know to a simple horizontal line, right? So I got a zone, so I'm only just gonna do these two zones, right? Because they look to be the current important ones, right? So let's see this level over here. I can see what, okay, this level is, I call it a mid between my zones. It's just a mid sensitive, it's just a level in between my zones, which is sensitive. I know that when I break above this zone, I'll be heading for a few buys, right? And then the market may react here to come back, retest, and then move back to the upside or something like that. But also currently I can see that we are currently we were at a support level. Let's just delete this. We were at a support level, right? I took a trade earlier on. So as we are in this support level, I can see that the market might be coming up to this zone, and then when we get to this zone, I know that I will be expecting the market to so as you can see, it's forming this is a high, and then it's a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. So I'm expecting a lower high up around this in on this zone to further continue with the sells. So I'm done with the daily analysis. I know that, okay, overall I'm going for sells, 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 sells. So I dive down to my 4 hour. This is my 4 hour. As I look into my 4 hour, I can see, okay, I have this level over here, which the market, it reacts to it. You know, as you can see here, it was a support. Here the market reacted, and then now we turn it into a resistance. So the market reacts to this level over here. So as soon as we break above, then we can continue to just hit some scalp buys and then flop up until this zone for scalpers. So okay, I have nothing much more to say over here on this time frame. I don't know. Someone will say, hey, why you not drawing trend lines over here? Like, I don't wanna complicate my analysis. I already know the direction, and I already know where I look to enter and stuff. I'm not looking for buys. This trend line, but I took a buy. Yeah, well, I took a buy earlier on. So you can still fit this trend line and then take it as a break, and then to what push up, and then the market to continue to fall down from here. So fuck, I deleted that shit. So let me just put it like this. Yeah, just yeah. So when I dive down to my 1 hour, I can see that, oh, okay. So we had structure, right? The market, like, it lost a whole lot of momentum when it was dropping, right? It started like, it lost the momentum. It was moving slowly. You can see that the sellers were no more stronger. And then we had a little impulsive wave over here, breaking this previous high. Breaking this previous high. And then when we were on this wave, we had some sort of a correction. Right? Okay, I know that we are at a correction. So what next? I'm expecting an impulse over here, maybe for it to break this level to continue up until, sorry, my zone around here, and then to further sell. So when we dive to the 15-minute, I can see, okay, right, I saw that, okay, we we're in our bearish little bearish channel over here, and the bearish channel mostly tells us that the market will likely to move up. So after this bearish channel, we had this is a W type formation, W formation, first leg, second leg, and then this is the neckline, then retest, then a breakout of this descending trend line, and then from there expected the market to push up, right? We expect the market to push up. So that's how we came about taking our trades, our buy trades. Yeah. So yeah, that's how it's going, guys. You can just wait for the price to push up to this previous lower low to form a lower high, and then you can further go down with selling opportunities. That's it for today. Toxic Traders signing out.